future of war, AI, weapons and killer robots. Wars have always been fought with the latest technology, but now AI could become the ultimate weapon. From autonomous drones to killer robots, is the future of war already here? Hey there! Before we get started, a quick favor. If you enjoy this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to Incognito Future Lab. And while you're at it, drop a comment with a topic you'd like us to cover. Now, let's get into it. Part 1. AI on the battlefield. AI is controlling drones, predicting enemy movements, and analyzing battle strategies in real time. Some militaries are even testing autonomous tanks and robot soldiers. Part 2. The rise of killer robots, unimagined machines that decide who to target without human approval. Experts warn this could create a world where wars are faster, deadlier, and completely out of human control. Part 3. The ethics. Should AI ever be allowed to decide who lives or dies? The UN has debated bans on killer robots, but progress is slow and the technology keeps advancing. The future of war may not be fought by soldiers, but by machines. Do you think AI weapons should be banned? Comment below and subscribe to Incognito Future Lab for weekly insights into the future of AI, war, and society.